Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you like insects?
It all depends on the type of insects. There are some insects, butterflies and ladybirds, for example, that are both lovely and fascinating. Some, like mosquitoes and cockroaches, can be downright unpleasant and even harmful.
Question number 2. Are there many different insects where you live?
Where I live, there are many different kinds of insects. There is a wide variety of insects to study and appreciate, from bees and butterflies to beetles and dragonflies.
Question number 3. What is your favorite insect?
Among insects, the monarch butterfly is my top pick. I find them stunningly lovely and graceful, and their yearly migration is a sight to behold.
Question number 4. What is the last insect you saw?
A honeybee was the last creature I saw flitting about the blossoms in my backyard.
Question number 5. Why do many people not like insects?
People don't like insects because some of them, like poisonous spiders, can hurt people or spread diseases such as malaria and Lyme disease. Mosquitoes and other bugs that buzz and bite all the time can be very annoying.
Question number 6. What insects do you dislike?
Mosquitoes annoy me because they emit a loud buzzing sound and spread disease. Additionally, I dislike cockroaches because they are filthy and can spread disease.
Question number 7. What kinds of insects make some people scared?
Some individuals are afraid of insects like bees, wasps, and hornets because they can sting and inflict pain. Spiders, for example, might be intimidating due to their size and generally unusual appearance.
Question number 8. Do you think insects are useful?
For sure, I find many practical uses for insects. They help spread pollen, turn dead stuff into fertilizer, and feed a wide variety of other creatures. They have applications in the fields of medicine, environmental science, and pest management. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.